Hello! In front of me I have Garmin Instinct 2 Solar Tactical, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And next thing we need to do is to download and install the Connect IQ Store on our phone that is connected, or rather paired with our watch. So let's open the App Store on our phone. In the App Store, tap on Search and type in Garmin IQ and tap Search. You should see the Connect IQ Store on the list of apps right here. Select it, then tap on the Install button to download and install it. And after the application is done installing, you can open it. And we can do it by tapping on Open button, but you can also open it from the menu or from the app menu. Once you open the Connect IQ app, you should see this page. Tap on the Welcome button. And here we can tap on Continue. But if you want to switch the account, you can tap on Switch Accounts. I'm just going to tap on Continue. Agree to the terms by checking the boxes and tapping on Next. After a couple of seconds, the page should load. And now we have the list of trending categories like trending apps, hot and fresh apps, stuff like that. I'm just gonna tap on Search right here. And here you can tap on Search All and type in the specific name of the app. If you're looking for something specific, I'm just gonna tap on Cancel, tap on the apps right here. We have the list of categories. I'm gonna tap on Apps. This will open, or rather filter only apps, and I'm gonna scroll through the list. Let's find something, for example, maybe this one, camera remote watch. Let's tap on it. Here we have the info about the app. We have description, what's new, additional information. If you scroll down, you should see the option called compatible devices. You can tap on it and check if the app is compatible with your watch. So let's scroll through the list. And check if the Instinct 2 Solar is here. We have the Instinct 2S. This is the one we're looking for. So it is on the list. This means that the app is compatible with our watch. So we can go back, tap on the Install button, tap on Allow to allow the permission, and wait. And after the application is done installing, you should get this pop-up. You can tap on Got it. And now you can go to your watch, press the GPS button to open the favorites. And here you can scroll through the list of favorite apps, and your camera watch, this one, the app we installed, should be on the list. If it's not, you can always select the Add option and add your app to this list by pressing Add and selecting the app from the list of the apps. Okay, so let's go back, select our camera watch in the list of favorites and press GPS to open it. And as you can see, it's working. We can use this app to take pictures with our phone. Okay. One more thing you can do is to go back to the IQ Store page, tap on My Device, tap on My Device apps, and here you can check the list of apps installed on your watch, so you can manage this quite easily. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you install the applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.